I've got.
I don't like the fact I can't save well in first person.
200 rounds.
Vic 1, are you good and ready to roll?
Yeah.
Vic 2, you good?
Okay, we're moving soon. Yeah.
All units, you are free to engage. Start pushing.
Toggle illumination.
Is there any confirmed hostile aircraft in the vicinity?
No confirmed.
Nothing within the region. Most things have been knocked out of the sky. Be advised, though, there are bits and pieces of anti-air still amongst the jungle that have taken out a few friendly birds. You will not have very much air support at this time.
Alright, thanks, Mike.
Okay, we're approaching.
Papa 1-1, this is Legacy 02. I'm switching to 3-8 for TAC channels. Less Legacy 01 cannot be contacted over 5-0 for any reason. I'll be on 3-8.
Copy that.
Good boy, Legacy 02.
No fuck.
That's a negative of 2.
Good boy.
Little does he know, I need more.
Don't bully me, I'll come.
That's
true.
Please bully me. I want to come.
So true, so true. Words of wisdom, really.
Oh God.
I'll have you know I come every day, sir. Oh, yeah, why? Like oxygen.
Papa 1-1, Legacy 02 over 3-8.
I'm getting my meat claws ready.
Did you hear what we're doing? We're doing virus?
Hey, this was a hot zone. Have Apex squad dismount their vehicle except for driver and gunner and roll ahead of us.
Alright, guys, hop out.
Alright guys, don't die. We don't have medical supplies.
Alright.
You guys closed the door.
Shut the goddamn doors!
Click to get out and it closed the door automatically.
I don't have a whole lot of ammo, Volsky, so it's probably best if I stay on the turret. Okay, yeah, you stay up. Phantom, if you want, you can go ahead and drive while virus is down. Well, they have a medic. Virus doesn't need to get out.
That red car's a little suspicious. Watch
I got you on 4-7.
Howdy.
Alright, you riding, yeah, you
Man,
riding.
if I knew this, I would have brought my freaking minesweeper.
Well, I don't know if it's
Do I have to get out of the tank just to get into the driver, or can I get in?
No, you should be able to go into first person and look around, and then...
Virus doesn't need to get out yet, though, so don't worry about it, Phantom. Yeah, yeah. No, whenever we do get out.
Oh, we're not out. Yeah, okay.
Let's stay
No, only Apex is out.
Yeah,
Hey,
so,
hold. Someone check that van.
Yeah,
I'll be on it.
yeah, you got contact front by the burning car. Those are civilians.
Checking the van up ahead.
Civilians.
Convoy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
There are lots of
fuck's
civilians
sake,
around
nobody
here.
fire unless fired upon. Holy shit, I don't need an international incident. Interspatial incident.
Keep an eye on the apartment.
Aren't we fascists? Why does it matter? Aren't we gonna nuke the
32
planet anyway?
for us.
Okay.
I would shut the periscopes in this work.
Are we gonna clear these
Working
buildings?
No, our main concern
I
is the
don't think-
road. We gotta get through this town.
Okay.
Art, keep your gun at 12.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna clear the buildings unless we've been given a reason to clear the buildings. In other words, like people start popping out of them and shooting at us.
You said keep it at 12? Yes. Okay. Overwatching in front. In case we do take contact.
I heard.
Well, they have a person in their turret. I'd rather watch that.
Up and I thought it was a fucking artillery round. I had a heart attack.
I have PTSD, like being in the gunner seat of these. Oh no. This is just a normal Sunday for me.
I can't wait to go back to my family.
Well, now we're gonna die. See, you had to just say something.
I was just waiting for an artillery shell just to come landing square onto the LAV.
Very insulted. He's giving us the the bombastic side eye. Not yet.
I see you rotating the cannon.
Bombastic side eye.
He's smoking a cigarette. I don't know about him.
Wait until Fang doesn't watch it. Okay.
Yeah, wait until the dude with the body cam on isn't facing it.
I'm just gonna keep looking at that.
He's on the van, watch out.
I don't trust bombs. I don't trust cars. I'm gonna keep our cannon pointed back. I don't trust that
I'm scared. Yeah, I don't trust him either. If he gets too close, I'd say engage. If he has the intent of...
He had the balls to walk up to us and smoke a cigarette.
Yeah.
He's up to something.
Man looked straight down a 40mm and said, I can smoke right now.
This is a 12.7, I'm pretty sure, bro. Fucking loser.
You got a
I'll tell you
7.62
right
coax,
now.
and you got a 7.62 coax, and you have a 30
Are
mil.
we arguing about the fucking gun? Are we arguing about the caliber of the gun?
Yeah,
Yeah,
fine.
it's
It doesn't
important
matter.
knowledge.
Shoots bullets.
I'm fact checking him.
red van
Can someone go up and stop him?
We got it.
I got
Like
HE.
you're expendable, go.
Stay
I'll
back.
push left.
Do not approach. If you approach any further, you will be treated as hostile. Sir,
You have to
if
wait
you
till we
approach any
pass.
further, you will be treated as
Keep
hostile.
the
Wait
convoy
there.
rolling.
Move down the road.
Yeah, keep going, guys. We'll hold them until you guys are gone.
Okay.
Watch him run them over.
If he does, I'm lighting him the fuck up.
Oh, please do.
He needs to keep his distance from us.
Alright. Come on through.
I wish
As
this thing
soon
was
as we're on
bounced
the
so
other side
fucking
of
much.
these houses, Apex should mount back up and listen.
Copy that. We're sending up a civilian vehicle. They're gonna clear it on your left side.
Copy that.
I
All
beg a mother-
vehicles head to the right side of the road.
I wish a motherfucker would. Oh no, he's parking in his
He
house.
turned
like
off.
some
You
kind
guys
of
are good.
fucking weed.
Alright, never mind, we're good.
Like some peace-loving.
Watch
I
him
almost said
come out
bad
of the
word.
tree line and ram fucking Apex.
The first LAV.
I thought he was about to ram a Lumi. I swapped to HE so quick.
Alright, hold
You
back,
don't
hold back.
understand.
They're mounting back up in for a second. Run, Forrest, run!
Close that door.
My mama told me life's
Bro,
like
sorry,
a
I was
bunch of
checking our
chocolates.
6 to make sure no one else was
Mama
following.
always
No,
told
you're
me,
good.
Don't take candy from a stranger.
The three
Oh, no,
people
it's gonna come from
shadow
tree
in their
line and
name
red
are all
yellow.
on the same side. How interesting.
Lieutenant Dane, you ain't got no
Wow, that's
head.
racist. Get the convoy moving.
Copy that.
Isn't racism our thing? Isn't
Shut
that
up,
what we're known
Art,
for
I'm recording.
notoriously? I love being racist. We're
Jesus
racist.
Christ.
Doesn't
Get me
make me say
canceled
the
in
word.
5 minutes before my channel even hits 100 subscribers. Imagine.
Gentlemen, I praise you. Your discipline.
Bubba stole his shrimping boat. Alright, I'll stop.
Same protocol, 1-1, if we get anything else on the road, the same protocol, Apex dismount, everybody else stay put, let's contact it. Oh my god!
Stop the copyright.
Hey, you can't play that. That'll get Fang copyright.
If it's under 30 seconds, it's fine.
Alright, you had it, boys. 29 seconds.
Alexander's back.
Jesus
Alright,
Christ!
29 seconds of FNAF fan songs.
Come on, big bitch! I know you can make it up the hill.
Oh, you don't know that. It can do whatever it wants to, Fang. Don't tell it what it can and can't do.
It can do the will of God.
The LAV has
You
According to
don't
Art,
know
he can
what
fight
it
a
is.
god.
The LA
Yeah, I have
is
AD.
sentient
Speaking of
being.
God, the Pope died today,
used to
sadly.
be
LAV right.
Yeah, that's because I won.
Just
So,
remember,
I'd like to request to go to another LA.
your parents may
You know what they say about no
but you don't exist to validate what they want. You exist to spite God.
There's a reason
I
that we
exist
literally
to
had a
feel
class called Math for Marines that I had.
Well,
to
you're
take.
Russian, so.
I'm not even kidding.
Nav, but for
Started
Marines,
being
Yo,
a-
I'm
So-
back in game. Can you hear me?
when you... Yeah, we hear you.
Right up.
Oh my god, finally. Can someone get them to teleport me back to Cobra?
Yeah, where are you?
Hold up.
Art, you gotta
Oh my
remember.
god,
Don't bite the hand that fingers you.
Oh my god, he's fucking lagging out. Holy shit.
Holy shit!
Oh my god, look at that frame!
Dude, are you okay? No!
Oh my god.
Oh, there we go. It's instantly better. Oh no, it's.
We're watching a stop motion movie.
That's even worse than a movie.
For Alexander.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
Turn off your recording software. Your computer can't handle it.
I'm not recording. I'm not though.
God, what is your Wi-Fi?
My radio died.
My bad, I think it bumped
I
it.
don't know what's okay. My
Alright,
FPS
we're
is starting to
rolling,
come
I
back
guess.
up. Okay, my FPS is back up. I can see now. I can see now. Don't worry.
That was great. I'm glad I got that on film.
I don't know. It's because I got teleported while my game was downloading everything. Oh my god, my FPS dropped again, brothers. I'm cooked. Oh my god, I can't see. Okay, I'm good now.
You're
I'm
okay,
good
dude.
now.
Take like a Vicodin or something, dude. Jesus fucking Christ.
Advise, we have a down Pelican.
Yep.
Doug, I'm telling you, I'm 5 minutes into the honey pack, you're gonna get touched.
So, how close are we?
Apex is going to check the crushed Pelican.
Copy that.
Oh, so I hold the door door open. I'm just
Totally not making
recording that.
saying
Oh my
like that in all
god.
the comments.
Okay, I'm good. It's like I'm busting every second.
I'm gonna bust on you every second.
Oh,
Don't
bad.
bite the hand that fingers you. I
I'm
don't
gonna have to do so
let me
much
touch your arm.
editing.
So that kind of
Get
shit
your
is
work done, boy.
Yeah, let me just touch
You get
your-
away
let
with
me
that
just
shit,
touch
mate.
you a little bit, yeah. That feels good, don't it?
Touch criticism. It's alright.
Kooky.
We're checking it right now.
Yeah, touch of the tism. Yeah, we have the tism and we're touching each other.
Oh, yeah.
Falcon's clear. We're moving back to the LAVs.
I don't associate
Oh,
They got
yeah,
like
boy.
engaged something. They got like
Kilo
start
pilot,
firing
no
or something.
hostiles.
And you know what? I just had to be different today. I'm peeking my head out. Hey,
I
what's
hope
happening
you
up here,
get
brothers?
fucking nailed.
Hey,
I hope you say, hey, what is that? And then get nailed by a 7.62.
Let's get the fuck back in.
I hope you die
That's what it's
unnecessarily
for.
in a cool cinematic.
No, you know that one
let me
scene
fuck
from
my head out.
Fear
we're
when
good.
they just get
Ansel, get the
railed
fuck
by
back
a
in.
I'm just
tank.
poking my head out.
I'm not
How
moving
y'all
till that door's
doing?
closed.
I'm just poking my head out. How y'all doing?
Somebody else got it.
I'm really
Alright,
getting down
We're
my
doing
fucking
good, bro.
head.
We're doing good. If we fire this gun, you're getting concussed.
Yeah, yeah. I'm getting knocked the fuck out. I'm going back down. I don't like this.
Shut the door! Thank you.
Is Alexander speaking?
Oh my god, my FPS is dropping. I'm at 2 FPS right now.
What the fuck did he
okay.
say?
Dismount.
There's an
Yeah,
ambulance. There's
map
stored
of
field
an
goals.
ambush.
There's stored field goals up ahead.
I tried giving you orders.
Break a Luby's legs.
No, not my boy. He's
Close
my
the
sweet
fucking
boy.
doors. Thank
I'd
you.
relate to fucking
Close the...
Alexander
Hey,
that
let me pick my head out.
we
Just
have
to
to
get
bail.
down
He's
in the
gonna be
head.
taking gun, not gun.
Hey,
He's
y'all
gonna be
doing
taking
okay
driver
up
and
there?
phantom gun.
Dead.
I'm just getting down in the head.
Alexander.
I'm asking for a death right now. I'm asking to die pretty much.
I'm just letting you know real quick, Alex, whenever Cobra
Yeah.
dismounts, you'll be taking over driver, and I'll stay on gun.
Oh, okay. Got it.
We'll be
That's
using
good
this
with
for
me.
the most part.
Okay, that's good with me.
They gave us the biggest guns. We're gonna fucking
Yeah.
die, boy. Let me
Yeah,
tell
yeah,
you.
yeah.
I'm just waiting to hear somebody go, RPG! And then Art's dead.
If we get hit
Just
once,
ship
I
right up there.
want y'all bailing. This
Oh, I can
thing's
see
not
the
worth
guns
the
now.
trouble.
The ammo.
Dude, it would be so sad if I died. I haven't died once during this whole campaign.
He dies
I haven't
last
either.
second, boarding the Falcon to
Convoy is
exfil.
clear. Just
Wham!
I haven't
haven't
died
either.
too. I only lagged out.
I
That's
don't
it.
think I have.
I'm the goddamn jungle man. Let me tell you.
Yeah, same.
I love this place. This is my home.
We're gonna drive over a landmine, probably. I'm calling it. The guys in front are gonna hit something.
Listen, man. You don't know the power of the jungle.
Oh my
Most
god,
likely.
the bodies.
Just like fucking Iraq.
God.
Why do we have BMPs?
They're all dead.
We don't. I think those are innies. You just ran over somebody's
No,
body!
they're
You just
UNSC.
ran over somebody's body!
It's okay, he's not using it anymore.
Bodies.
Don't run it back
Not
over!
using it anymore.
Jesus Christ, the disrespect.
Burnout on top of it.
It's fucking farmers, man.
Close the door.
I didn't close it.
It just automatically closes once you get in. Oh my gosh.
I'm looking at the right side, and I'm like, I don't like the way it goes down like that. Like, hell no, brother. I don't like this.
Fucking
okay.
dominatrix
I'm gonna
ass
touch you in a
relationship do you have?
Next thing you know,
What did I just hear from Vic 1?
Wait, what?
I have been ignoring.
I heard
one, to be
some
honest.
dominatrix ass shit. Vic 1, what?
That must be me. That must be me. That must be
like-
me. That must be
Yeah, I'm
me.
just like,
Kinky stuff. So,
bro, I
That
can
must
see
be
one
me.
of our guns just poking outside the field goal. Who has the
Alright,
sniper?
gentlemen,
Like,
get the
it's your
giggles out
gun.
now. We're approaching our objective.
Oh.
Papa 1 as soon as we hit visual,
Papa
all
1
soft dismount.
Now, so he.
I think we should use the armored vehicles, dude. Not gonna lie.
That's what a soft dismount is. The driver and gunner stay in, but the infantry dismount.
Oh, okay, and I gotta go to the driver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Alexander, I'm taking over driver, or medic's gonna tag along.
Oh. There's something down there.
We should probably do it here.
Yeah, let's do it.
Papa
We'll
1
provide
hold,
cover.
hold Vic 1,
Hold on.
Apex dismount, secure the area.
Alright, go,
Okay,
go,
we'll
go.
provide cover for the vehicle.
hopefully Alexander doesn't crash again.
Cobra,
Yeah,
go
we'll
ahead
provide
dismount.
cover for the
I'm
vehicle.
good. Let me get in the driver's seat. I gotta get in the driver.
Link him up.
Hold position.
Who's in the-
our
no one's in the
drivers
driver?
have to-
Keep watching. No, just keep watching.
I'm in the gunner.
I
Not
do
gunner,
have eyes
driver.
on at least one tango directly north behind some of the sandbags.
Real quick, Alex, while we're not doing
Yeah.
anything, we have a second. Open up your inventory and drop your backpack into the trunk.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Just in
well,
case. If we have to get out, then you grab it.
Okay.
I have eyes on a second tango as well.
It's not letting me. It's not letting me put it in.
Say the word.
That's fine.
Hold fire, hold fire, hold.
Oh, there we go. It's in. It's in. There we go. It's in the trunk.
It's fine, I'm just prepping my aim.
Yep.
We have two
Remember
laws
your
in here as well,
ROCs.
so we need them.
ROE.
Dude, I can't see
Just
well.
rules of combat, rules of engagement, close
A
enough.
few? Oh, there we go. I can see.
Yeah, I only got eyes
We
on
have
2.
2 laws, 12 fragmentation grenades, 12 smokes.
One's off to the right.
Enough basic medical
What?
How much we got for machine?
ammunition for the big guns.
So I've got.
I don't like the fact I can't see well in first person.
200 rounds.
Vic 1, are you good and ready to roll?
Yeah.
Vic 2, you
Okay,
good?
we're moving soon.
Yep.
All units, you are
confirmed,
free to
hostile.
engage.
Open fire.
I'm lagging.
Start
Hello?
pushing.
Yeah, it's fine. Moving.
Moving. Vic 2 on.
I'm gonna leave my earphones, my earplugs on.
Grabbing small.
All units clear the road so that way we don't accidentally hit you.
I'm lagging so badly.
Hey,
I don't
Shadow.
wanna get sound, but
Can you take point in front of me? I don't want to get hit first.
5 meters apart.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, buddy.
The guy with epinephrine doesn't want to go down. I want to touch you.
That's that left hand side.
Got audible, my left.
I'm not lagging right now. It's my FPS dropping a lot.
Left side.
We got a camping on the left.
Ooh, flow ski. I'll keep my distance a little. I don't want to.
Contact. Website.
The brakes on.
I'm pointing this out there.
Hey
LAV2,
guys,
I
be
want you
careful
going
on the barbed wire. Don't touch it. Apex squad, head through the woods along our left flank and clear them till the next buildings. Cobra's gonna move with the Vix.
Shadow, lead Apex. We're moving through woods on left.
Copy.
Cobra, metal 2, form up on metal 1.
Negative, we're going to go on the right side and provide long-range support.
Copy that, make it happen. Be careful if you guys understand anything too bad. Fall back to us.
Confirm.
You know, I don't feel safe next to this fucking thing.
I'll have thing up anyways.
Copy.
I love look at my arm! Look at my hand!
What the fuck?
I gotta provide support,
Command
man!
all ground, be advised. I've got scans reporting inaccurate mortar fire being prepped the northwest sector of the runway. Expect to start taking rockets and heavy ordnance.
Alright, Cobra, Metal 1, we're moving!
Copy that, we're
Metal 1, start rolling. You're our cover.
What did Walker say? All I heard was something about we got heavy ordnance and mortar fire.
Possible incoming mortars. They're prepping artillery. Let's get to those first sections of buildings before we start getting hit.
8 to 5 meters apart.
Metal 2 on.
I'll let you know when I'm reloaded. I'm reloaded.
Bang, get your guys on the side of my tank.
Yo, boys, over here. Keep going.
Papa 1-1, this is Bulldog 2-2. We are approaching the edge of the woods.
This is Legacy 02.
Copy
I
that.
copy you. Metal 1 is in position along the fence line. Form up with Cobra. We're gonna do
Roger, we'll hold at the edge of the fence line. Or edge of the woods.
provide cover.
What's that mortar?
IDF, possible IDF. Yep, there it is.
Mortar fire.
Bulldog 02 to command, how copy? This is command, I read you, Bulldog. Do we have any confirmation of a friendly ODST squad towards the runway? We are hearing suppressive fire. Confirmation. Devil and Cerberus elements have entered the AO. They are also hitting your objective from that quadrant. Watch fire. Copy that.
Got a decision there, so watch fire.
Apex, do you have visual on the first hangar?
That is confirmed.
Move your squad to that hangar immediately. We're gonna double time it to your position. Metal 1, go meet up with Apex. We'll catch up. Boys, we're not having any cover. Let's move.
Move up.
Advise, Metal 2 is en route. We're gonna meet up in Metal 1.
Copy, Metal 1's holding at the hangar. Hey, boys.
Hey, guys.
Hello.
I'm seeing inside myself. Who was up my ass?
Volsky, Fang, Phantom, spread out a little more.
Yeah, remember what I said, 5 to 8 meters apart.
Watch out, there's like no cover.
Use the doors as cover, what little cover there is of them.
Hey, Virus.
We can't stay in here long because if they're hitting us with mortar, I don't want to be in here if the fucking
First hangar is clear.
Apex, clear the second hangar. Metal 1, push up against the open side of the hangar. Metal 2, cover his right side. Cobra, Bulldog, Elements, we are moving to the tents outside of the first hangar.
There were tangos there, so be advised.
All ground elements be advised. Firebird scans are reading inconclusive sensor data. Stand by, continue your assault. We'll get back to you when we can.
Cover infantry. The mortar won't kill us.
Metal, is that Metal 2?
We got injured here.
No, I'm a little hit. I don't. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I'm good.
All right, we're moving to the tents.
Guys, move up to Metal 2.
Alright, we're gonna cover them. Focus on the right, they're moving.
Switch into secondary. Prepped.
Oh, everybody here's already dead. What the fuck?
Yeah, I was sniping them.
Hold still, hold still.
Boys, let's get to the other side of the tent. Provide that cover fire. Audible, audible. Audible contact. Man down. Hey, I need a medic over here to the end of the tents.
Ours is currently occupied with already dealing with a casualty.
Oh, I'm on con.
You want me to try and reach out to server and see if we can get their medic?
Drop him there, drop him there.
Bandage.
Get
It
that.
should be fine. I'm good.
Hey,
Negative. Service is dealing with.
are you good?
No, we got our
Ground elements be advised.
Hold the
Scans
vehicle
are
around.
reading that we have negative AA sites in the region. We are sending in air support. I say again, we are sending in air support.
Hey,
We'll have
hey,
Falcon gunships on
the
standby.
the
Call
gunner
them
in the
when
Vic
ready.
is dead. Or the gunner in the Vic is uncon. Gunner in the Vic. As soon as he gets Tom out, take Tom's place.
Fuck, we're getting shot from
I'm
behind.
bleeding out insanely
Pull the
fast.
Vic around back. Pull the Vic around back. We'll use the sandbags. Hey, Metal 2, I need you to take Metal 1's place, provide cover fire long range. Metal 2's getting, or Metal 1's getting, fuck. This LED over here is getting pinned and fucked up.
We'll do what we can. We're low on munitions, though.
Copy that. Apex, you got a status on for me?
We still have one casualty here that we are dealing with. We're holding up in second hangar. Once that's cleared, we're gonna move up. We're out of ammo.
Yeah,
My
Copy
driver's
that.
injured.
Pull the LAV back, set it down as cover. We can't use it anymore.
We can't. Give me a minute. My driver's injured.
Copy that. Art, dismount and try and grab your driver. Bring him over to the tents here by Metal 2. Correction, Metal 1.
I'll do what I can.
Apex, this is Lexi 02. Be advised, Metal 1 is heavily damaged. Metal 2 is out of ammo. We have no more LEDs.
You wouldn't by any chance have a wrench, would you?
Copy that.
Oh, fuck.
Spread out, boys. However, air support has arrived. Look at Cal go.
Beautiful.
Command, Apex 01 back on radio.
Copy 01. Be advised, bird in the sky is friendly. You love to see it. All right, Cobra elements, if you're able to move over here, we're moving up.
Got class 1, I'm gonna check his pulse.
Yeah, I think he has a pulse of 0. So
Heart rate is 0.
Hey,
Okay,
if you guys get him
Virus,
stabilized,
get over here.
If you guys get him stabilized, move him to
that.
those medical tents. That would be the triage site for now.
This is Command to all ground elements. Be advised. Firebird is reading radiation elements in the atmosphere around your location. ODSTs, you are being retasked to deploy northwest. I want you to find where that is, secure it, prep for any action. Will do. Marines, you are to continue holding this sector.
Is this Vic good?
Backup to ODSTs if necessary, but hold this sector. They're going to advance.
Copy that. Move it up. Marines, Alpha Cobra, Metal 1. We are to support the ODSTs at the other end of the runway. Radiologicals have been detected. Move your asses.
I got a broken leg.
Hey, I need a gunner in Metal 1.
Who's got a broken leg?
Whose leg's busted?
If you got a broken leg, go into the gunner seat.
Hey, White Fang, I'm gonna stay back there with the other medic and work on these people.
Okay.
Actually.
Send them up once they're good. And if you need a medevac, call it over 4-6.
There's
If anybody's
Pelican
good,
over
move
here
over
on the left-hand side of the base, just in front of where the hangars are.
Papa 11, Alpha 01, and all Marine call signs, be advised, the first section we cleared of tents is now triage site 1. Marines have set up that place as a CCP. Any wounded are to head over there if you can stabilize them and get them there.
Copy that.
Acknowledged, Commander. Command, is Apex linking up with ODSTs to support them?
Apex, link up around the ATC tower at your area. Regroup your...
We already are there.
Alright, I'm coming to you now. Most of the Cobra is helping with triage. The rest of us are moving to clear around the ODST's area.
Alright. The ODSTs are right over there.
Yeah.
Alright, well then give them some backup. We need to punch a hole towards their radiologicals. Keep minis away from those Falcons.
There are no friendlies down at the very far end, correct?
Unknown. We currently are about where Cal is shooting. We're on the backside of those dirt bunkers. Ow!
This is Metal 1. We're gonna try to make some slight repairs to our engine.
Copy that, dude.
Cerberus Devil, be advised, you have Apex Marines moving up close to you.
Hey, firm, we've made contact, thank you.
Tom, I'm pushing over you.
Yeah, you're fun.
I'm with you too.
Just to clear these tents.
Yeah.
Guys, just slow deck check everything.
He's fucked. They're fucked. Now he's fucked. Don't cut yourself on fucking barbed wire like I almost just did.
I've got the shadow set traffic.
This first tent is clear. This tent's clear.
Clear?
Copy that. Oh.
ODSTs have asked us to clear out these hangars up here.
Copy that. You good?
Fine, what do you want me doing with this?
We're clearing these hangars.
Okay, we're doing the hangars and then sort that out. Okay.
Dead in the chest.
Take it slow, Shadow. Take it slowly.
I'm watching long.
What's your other cross
I'm gonna go a little wide just so I don't shoot anyone by accident if someone peeks out.
I'm not going to be moving past. Going from Fang, we'll go to the next one.
Whoa, well there go my frames.
I read you, Cobra. What you got for me?
Not to be informal, but we're running 7 frames down here. Can we get some?
Copy you, stand by.
He said he's running at 7 frames. Oh my god! Yo, I got 2 men down between hangar 2 and hangar 3. ODSTs, they're behind the hangars.
I think they came from the left.
Medic up, medic here.
Trooper, I don't know if you heard my last call out, but we got 2 men down between hangar 2 and hangar 3. They're behind the hangars in those tents area. They just gunned 2 guys down.
I'll tend to myself.
Lumi's a medic, he just went up to him.
This is double 1-1. We hear you.
I'm giving myself.
We have a man down. Once we patch him up, we're moving.
I think there's a sniper.
I have a broken leg.
This is Metal 1-1. We are back up and running.
Metal 1-1, head to hangar 3. They're the dirt mound hangars. 3rd one on your left.
Copy.
I had a battle rifle.
The back of the inside of the hangar leads straight outside to the back hill.
Be careful, we do have friendlies over there.
No, I think I'm good.
Right. Yeah, Lanky, your rifle's there. That's yours.
Yeah, copy. I need to keep my thing didn't finish.
We got to get out of the open.
Metal, come on!
Are we clear on this right side between the 2 hangars?
Yes, we're clear. We're clear on this on the side of the hangars. The troopers are over there now.
I'm not lying when I say this is my max speed right now.
The best I could do for you is give you blue morphine over and over over
my
the course of the...
bleed's covered and everything like that.
Yeah, the most I could do for you is
Yo, watch how much you're feeding through that thing. Conserve ammo.
Be advised.
My
Scans reporting a small contingent of light armor approaching from the northwest end of the runway. Recommend you get ready to take it out.
Hey, do we have AT? Does anybody have AT? Ow! What the fuck?
I do not have AT now.
AT, anti-tank. We got enemy armor pushing up.
I got regular ass bullets.
Fuck. No, don't run him over!
Use armor.
Back out of the way.
Jeez.
Hey, do you have any ammo left?
Yeah.
we called any air cover or artillery possibly on the location up ahead?
Air cover's already in the sky as far as I'm aware. Artillery? I don't know.
Legacy yes, command at that area.
Legacy 02.
Air cover is back to refuel. We do not have air cover.
I read you. What you got for me?
Requesting any precision artillery that you may have on vehicles as soon as they come within visual range.
Someone. Shadow, was it you at the slow walk?
The negative unsupported this time. Those vehicles are currently in the unknown airspace. We will not be hitting that due to potential radiological issues in the area. You're gonna have to take them out yourself.
Oh, great. Okay, copy that.
Battery, what did I miss?
There's radioactives somewhere. ODSTs are moving to secure that. We have to deal with armor with no AT.
I do remember that. That is unfortunate. I did not know that.
Fang, do you guys want to push out through the rear?
Yeah, Cobra, we're going out the back.
Apex call signs, we're going out back. Hold.
I'll stick with you, Lanky.
Friendly ODSTs in front.
Friendly air in the AO.
I can only run so fast.
That is like half of the people's problem. I've heard that so much. It's like, this is my max speed.
Do you want to clear these silos?
Yeah, Apex, clear silos. Cobra, we're supporting the ODSTs. Head this way.
Hold your fire, do not shoot.
Hey, head down there, give them some support.
Copy that.
Cobra, head in with Apex.
Sorry, there's like
Cobra,
two
head in with
shadows, so I
Apex.
was trying to figure out which one.
This is just Apex. I don't know where Cobra is.
My mind's like in between doing medical.
Just for all call signs to be aware, our only metal left is moving up with the ODSTs. All Apex and Cobra call signs to clear the oil fields and then hold at the other end, provide cover fire to the ODSTs if possible. Devil 1, be advised, I'd send Devil 1 to support your position temporarily while we
Ping, watch your left in that barn. No, I just saw something going.
Yeah, those are front lines.
Copy.
Marines, stay away from the building that we're going into. Radiation's coming from here. Third BTR approaching.
Times already. I thought the server gave up.
I have more frames than you. Usually I'm the one dying. What the hell?
Firebird is going to be linking up with these sensors on your armor to triangulate positions.
I'm on PC. I'm getting like 50 frames.
Oh, hey, look, a Pelican.
You're getting 50. I have 17 frames.
Oh, another Pelican?
Be advised, Devil servers, elements. Scans confirm we have nuclear ordnance on site. Marines, you are to pull back, secure outer perimeter. ODSTs is all you. Get into there.
Are you still alive?
Should we tell command that we found another Pelican?
Clear the other side of this wall. Stand by. Legacy 01, this is Legacy 02. Do you want Marines to evacuate or pull the perimeter?
Pull perimeter for the time being. Pull perimeter.
Copy that. We're securing a Pelican outside of the current AO. We'll be holding that general area end of the oil rigs.
Copy that. We're going to dispatch these Pelicans. Recommend 30 seconds. They will be prepped and will be entering atmosphere.
Any Cobra still alive?
Be advised, to my knowledge, we have
any Cobra alive?
Fucking other ones responding.
I read you, this is Cobra 02. We're right now setting up, I believe, that's where you were. Okay, I crashed. I'm with the other team. I think Apex.
I'm with you. I'm right here.
Copy, stick with them until you can link up with us. We're setting up fire support to cover the ODSGs.
All Apex and Cobra units link up with Metal at the Pelican end of the oil rig. Secure their
Art, I'm with the Apex right now, Art.
Yeah, it's Apex and Cobra over here. Clear the area.
On site. Marine, you are to pull back, exfil the area immediately. ODSTs will remain on station to secure weapons for potential EOD detonations.
This is Legacy 02. You want to get that Pelican? Negative. All Marine forces fall back to the triage site. Fall back to the triage site now.
Hey, I'm gonna split off.
All air elements you are tagged. You will be
No, we're going to the other one, the one we secured earlier.
Recommend you return to the base for extra aircraft. Green. Fuck, our medic just fell.
Metal 1, Metal 2, Apex, Bulldog, Cobra, and all other first platoon elements pull back to the triage site. Pull back to the triage site.
Copy that. We got room for Marines.
Grab the wounded ones. Everybody who can walk, do so.
Fall back.
We're moving. Fire's good. I'm staying with you, Art. I'm not fucking leaving you behind.
Bleeding.
Come on.
Fuck.
He's back up.
Okay.
Virus, get in the vet.
I'm not leaving.
Give the gunner a separate Falcon that will be heading back to you shortly.
Alpha 217, please repeat your last.
We'll be back to you shortly.
Copy that.
Landing to resupply and get a secondary Falcon to your location.
Copy that. Be advised, all 1st Platoon elements are falling back to the previously mentioned triage site. That'll be a pickup location.
Acknowledged.
Apex
Mark
01,
with
be
Golf
advised,
Sierra.
we have a secured Pelican at the first triage site.
This is Metal 1. We're going to be waiting a little.
Metal 1, I copy you. As soon as your men are secured, I need you to move them as soon as they're stabilized.
Copy. Moving.
All Marines, be advised, I am calling code black. I repeat, code black. We are in a nuclear blast radius. I repeat, nuclear blast radius.
Alright, nice. Are we getting the fuck out of here?
Yes. That's why I'm calling a general
Nuclear
retreat.
Radiation is my favorite lunchtime snack.
I need to yell at you about saying repeat on the radio.
This wasn't the triage site.
No, the triage site.
No, the triage site's down there by the fucking... He deleted it!
Yeah.
That cocksucker!
Did it get
Is
blown
it gone?
up?
It's gone. Fuck it. We're taking Camp Eagle. All units, Metal, hold.
This is
We're
Devil
going to Camp
Actual
Eagle.
to command. We have confirmed ID on nuclear warheads.
Copy you, Devil. Your standby EOD team is en route.
Keep that warhead active. Say again last.
Hold. He's talking to the ODSTs.
You are to hold that position until EOD arrives to handle nuclear ordnance.
Marines, take up position around these sandbags
getting
until
the Marines outta here?
evac comes.
Do you want me to pop a green smoke?
Once the Falcons are in position, yes.
Bang, I need to yell at you.
Why?
Because you said repeat over the radio and you weren't talking about ordnance.
That's a big no-no.
Shut up.
Fuck you.
You're supposed to say again last.
I will put my say again last foot up your ass.
Hey, you're the one who wanted me to start doing proper radio stuff.
I did.
Alpha Flight, be advised.
Green smoke detected.
Green smoke, yeah, there you go.
Oh, hello.
Hey, Pink, make sure you're leaving room for landings.
Are you in a lap?
Ditch the vehicle! Ditch the vehicle! Get all casualties onto the Falcon first. If they're wounded, they're on this bird. If you're wounded, you're on first bird out.
Holy fuck, my frames are so bad right now.
Oh my god, are you? Look like a loony.
If you're wounded, you're on first bird. Go, go, go.
Come on, first.
Come on, you can make it. You can make it. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Alright, Apex, load up. Apex, load up.
I need Dr. C.
Apex call signs. You are on first Falcon. Load up now.
I don't think there are any more seats.
No,
Cobra, you are on second Falcon.
Go back. Wolf. Other side. Other side, we're on second Falcon.
Cobra.
First Falcon, take off. Is there anyone in this LAV?
Yeah, it's me.
Ditch. We're ditching.
Copy that.
Get in the Falcon.
That whole time.
Stand by.
Alright, Fang, you're clear. Get it.
I'm holding it.
Go, go, go.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Legacy
Bomb
02.
is active, holding here until that EOD gets here.
Legacy 02 to Legacy 01. How copy?
Right now, there's no turning it off.
EOD are en route. Recommend you.
Red, book it.
I'm trying.
Legacy 02.
We aren't leaving until the EOD gets here.
Legacy 02 to Legacy 01. All Marines call signs are out of the AO.
What's the sound?
That's the brothers
That's
for it.
Falcon.
Okay.
This is almost as bad as the holy fuck.
Yeah. We're part of the insurrectionists. We're not shit.
It's been nice working with you, gentlemen.
I survived it too. I survived the entire campaign as well, Art. We haven't died at all.
Alright, hold here. Red, hold here.
Teams are touching down in the outer perimeter now. Hold that area.
We're
holding.
What's what? What happened?
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Fuck, maybe get us the hell out of here.
Go, just go.
Well, it was nice knowing the troopers.